blinding flash of white light lit up the sky over Uyghur tonight. People running for cover, not knowing whether they're dead or alive.
They came with their tanks and their planes, with ravaging fiery flames, but nothing remains, just a voice rising up in the smoky haze. We will not go down in the night without a fight. You can burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Uyghur tonight.
Women and children alike, murder and massacre night after night, while the so-called leaders of countries afar debated on who's wrong or right.
But the powerless words were in vain, and the bombs fell down like acid rain. But through the tears and the blood and the pain, you can still hear that voice through the smoky haze. We will not go down in the night without a fight. You can burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools,
But our spirit will never die. We will not go down in Uyghur tonight.
we will not go down in the night without a fight.
You can burn out our mosques and our homes and our schools, but our spirit will never die.
We will not go down
In the night without a fight.
You can burn up our mosques and our homes and our schools,
But our spirit will never die. We will not go down.
we will not go down.
We will not go down in Uyghur tonight.